Hello guys, today I have HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 5 and I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset in your earbuds. So as you can see here, we've got our application, which is called the HUAWEI Audio Connect. And once you're here in this application, you need to scroll down till you see the HUAWEI Sound. Tap it, and as you can see, to create your own preset, you need to scroll down. Custom Equal Profiles. Tap Add Custom Equalizer Profiles. Now set here the name of it. Here select, as you can see, your changes, and here save. As you can see, now it's here. You can tap Edit and rename your preset or add it over here. I don't really have the option to rename it, I don't know why, but I think it should work. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.